is New Zealand dollar. We had a beautiful I'm all about breakers, so you can see why that level. Okay, had a beautiful sell from there. It's just too good. Yeah, and then the first target being this equal low. I watched this happen like this early hours this morning at 3 o'clock, and I think price is just, it's not random. Price is never ever random. Whoever says price is random, they have no idea what they are doing. Okay, price is never random, because the way price came all the way down and at exactly 3:30, because I was watching price at exactly 3 o'clock or 3:30, price has already taken out this equal low, and then it shot up. Yeah, price shot up like that. So in my opinion, it was like this was all pre-planned, or whatever they were doing, they planned it, because price drove all the way down to that specific level where there is liquidity. Yeah, equal lows, liquidity, and then because the news came out, it shot up. Okay, so someone would think this is to do with support and resistance, which is never true. Okay, that thing is not real. So, and then price shot up, and then it went back into where another breaker right here, and then we shot back down, and then what do we have here again? Another breaker. So this pair has been fantastic, but I took it on, not on this one, yeah, even though I saw all this, but I took it on New Zealand CAD. Yeah, I'll show you. I took it on here because I felt like this one has got more room to the downside. This low and then that gap, it has more room to the downside. That's why I took it on this. Okay, but we do have this low gap with that down candle, so we might get a bounce in here somewhere at this, and that could offer us a re-entry. Yeah, so if you do get a bounce in here and it goes up, you just find a 4-hour level or a 1-hour level, and then we can add to our position. At the moment there's nothing. Maybe we wait for a stop run and reject, something like this, a stop run, a rejection, and then we go back in with more position. So be mindful of, actually that's a nice level as well. Okay, look at that, beautiful, shot up quickly. They already took some stops, so watch out for this level. That could offer a short-term bounce, probably not really short-term, could offer a big bounce. Yeah, it could offer a big bounce because that's a daily level. Yeah, that's a daily level, so it could offer a big bounce. You might come back maybe to this down candle slow as a breaker. So I can take this one off because that has been taken already, and place it there. So what could end up happening is this. We're gonna come here, bounce, go back, hit this, and then drop back down and take out this low. Okay, because that's a beautiful daily level, and then inside that daily level we have a nested 1 hour, absolutely gorgeous bullish move. Okay, so we do have a lower low as well, so that was a run on stop before they move up, so that could offer a pretty decent bounce. And look at that, what do we have here? That's a bearish OB, so we could get bounce there, come here, and then roll back down. Okay, so if you did get a short, make sure you take something off at that level as well. Don't know why I did this in orange color. Okay, so that is the New Zealand dollar.